To lesson 1 of the Business English Toolkit. And we're kicking things off with one of the simplest ways to sound more credible in your strategy work: using better vocabulary. This isn't about fancy words, it's about using the right words. In the world of digital transformation and consulting, language is part of your brand. If you sound vague, unprepared, or too casual, clients notice, teams notice. It's a silent credibility killer. Let's look at why this matters. First, language equals credibility. When you use strong, precise, professional vocabulary, people immediately assume you know what you're doing. The same idea, said in the right words, gets more trust. Example: will do the thing versus will execute the initiative. Same meaning, but completely different tone. The problem is that we often fall back on casual English, especially if it's our second language, and use phrases like thing, good, do it. These words are okay in conversation, but in client emails, presentations, and proposals, we can do better. Let's look at some quick vocabulary upgrades. Instead of saying do it, say execute the strategy. A thing? That becomes initiative, deliverable, and or use case. And good becomes impactful, effective, scalable. So here are some bonus words to start using more often. Instead of use, try leverage. Instead of do, try implement. Get comfortable with words like streamline, implement, and optimize. And don't just say it works. Say it drives business outcomes or aligns with stakeholder priorities. Also, instead of just saying use, you could say enable or align, assess, and or prioritize. Now, let's try a bit of practice. Take the sentence, we will do the thing this week, rephrase it in your head into something like, we will execute the initiative by Friday. Here's another example. It's a good plan. You can pause the video before I show you my result. Upgrade it's a good plan to it's a scalable, high impact strategy. Every small improvement helps you come across more professional, more polished, and more trusted, especially in fast paced meetings or email threads. That's it for lesson 1. Next up, we'll talk about how to write better client emails using clear, confident business English.